Hi guys, I'm going to share with you on how to draw a garden based on a plan. The size of the garden will be 3 meters times 3 meters. So that is my garden. So 3 meters and this one is 3 meters. I draw grids, easier for me to locate where is my objects in the garden. I decided there will be a planter box here, then there will be a seed somewhere there. This one is planter box and that one is a seed, and there's a trees there, and there's another tree somewhere there. I'm standing right at the center of looking towards the garden. Okay, the first step that you need to do is to draw the horizon line. And then the second step you need to do to have a human figure as your reference to your garden to get the right proportions. The size of your garden, the height of human figure is 1.5 meter. So there will be 1.5 meter, and then there's another 1.5 meter. So the width is 3 meters. So how do I set a vanishing point? That it will be the third step. So I'm setting the vanishing point at the center because I'm standing at the center of this towards the garden. So I projected the line there to get a perspective setting, and then next is to decide the depths of the garden. I decided that the distance from here to here is 1 meter. The distance from here to here is 1 meter. Then I divide the area, because we know that this is from here to here is 3 meters. I divide them into 3. So this will be 1 meter, and then 1 meter, and this will be 1 meter. So I projected the line there, then I have 1 meter times 1 meter. What I need to do next is to project this line to this. Then I have depths of 3 meters, and there's another line there to represent another 1 meter. So I have my garden area 3 meters times 3 meters. And then I have to locate where is my planter box. That is my area of my planter box. This will be my sitting area. Okay, I'm going to construct a sitting area first. I decided the height of my sitting area will be 500 mm. So I know from here to here is 1.5. I divide them into 3. So that will be 1.5, that is 0.5 meters for my sitting area. So that is my sitting area, and I projected that line, and then again refer to that, and this will be my sitting area. Next, I'm going to draw that planter box. The height of the planter box I already decided. There will be 0.75 meters. I know that from here to here is 1.5, and I divided into 2, 0.75 meters. And I projected this line up, projected again that one, and that is my planter box height, and that is about for my planter box. Next, I have to locate the trees for this area. So based on the grid, it is located at somewhere there. Then the canopy is something like that. So I bring this line up, and then decide the canopy of that tree based on the plan. So that is the canopy of the trees, and then do it like that. So this will come back again on that, and then you need to have another tree somewhere there. If you look at the somewhere it goes like that, and bring that up and do the canopy there, and goes like that. So that is another trees. Now time to ink the area, the drawing. So it will start with my sitting area, my seat. So I decided I have that seat with that design. So that is my seat. Next is I'm going to decorate my planter box. Before that I have to draw a shrub inside the box, fill in the shrub. So maybe I'm going to have kind of shrub like that, goes like that. And then that is my planter box area. So that is my planter box. I want to give some give a decoration for the box. So that is my decoration for the planter box. Okay, next, just to settle need to draw the floor. I decided to use the grid as the floor tiles. So that will be my floor tiles. And next is I'm going to draw the trees. So that will be my trees. The garden. Okay, there will be a shrub on the ground, not ground covers on the ground. Okay, I'm going to decorate another tree. Same goes. Continue that 3 lines to compose the tree. Your hand don't worry much about the types of trees that you are going to draw. If you want to draw a proper tree, you need to copy from the existing types of trees. You cannot design the trees. You have to refer to the existing, because it's a nature creation, it's God creation, so you need to follow and copy types of tree that you want to draw. But this one I just imagine types of trees that I think that I like to draw. If you want to draw a proper tree, that you have to refer to a existing trees available around you, your desired trees that you want to draw. Okay, next maybe I'm going to have a freestanding wall standing somewhere there, just to make the garden more interesting. So I have one tall freestanding wall located at this area, positioned at this area. So that is my freestanding wall. Then there's an opening somewhere there. Then I always, if you want to draw anything, always refer to that vanishing point. And then if the object is parallel to the horizon line. So here, and so I finished my garden perspective, 1 point garden perspective. Let's put some decoration to make it more interesting, and then you may put some dead leaf to make it more interesting to the garden setting. Okay, if you want to draw a human figure, then you may use this human figure as part of your garden. So there's way forwards, and then of course a 5-minute sketch, 1 point perspective of a garden.